Good morning, SIFA Pros. It's Maurice at American Panel here at the NRA show in Chicago. I'd like to introduce you to the new touchpad controller that you're going to see throughout the whole product line of our blast chillers and shock freezers. Much like our old controller, which was received all kinds of accolades for its simplicity of use, its intuitiveness, you only need 4 simple touches to get the unit in full operation. One touch, of course, wakes that screen up, and you can select soft chilling, hard chilling, or shock freezing cycles. Soft chilling is our 28-degree air for delicate product that we don't want to have the risk of freezing at all. Hard chilling, that's our soup, sauces, stocks, our proteins, casseroles, all of those sorts of things. We're going to use very cold air in there. We want to chill fast, stop that cooking process. Or we have the ability to select shock freeze if our intent is to freeze product for long-term storage. Products that we couldn't use otherwise in the limited shelf life of them in refrigeration. We certainly don't want to throw that product away, driving food costs up and profit margins down. So once we select the mode that we want to use it in, we have an option to go auto or manual. Automatic using the food probe that's inside the cabinet. The food probe controlling the cycle. When it's done, it'll go automatically to a holding mode. Manual, of course, is a timer controlled operation. When the timer expires, our preset time, it'll then go to a holding mode and hold it in a refrigerated state. So our third touch on that controller is to select the mode of operation, and then it's a simple matter of hitting the start button, and the unit's off and running, the clock's counting down. When it's done, it'll go to a holding mode. Going back to the home screen, couldn't be simpler than that. 4 simple touches. Wrong. Of course it could be simpler than that. Customers want to do the same thing over and over. They have a particular method that they want to follow. So we've introduced a quick start option that pre-programs the unit to their favorite cycle. By default from the factory, that's a hard chill manual cycle. So once the screen is awake, one touch starts that unit and it's fully operational. Again, when the cycle's complete, it'll go to an automatic holding mode. Back to the home screen. Couldn't be simpler than that. This new controller is available throughout our whole product line. That's all 51 models of blast chillers and shock freezers. That's a whole lot of product to choose from, because there's that many different customers out there that need different types of units. It's all about how we load it. It's about the pan size. It's about the rack. Which rack do we want to use? So we offer many different models for your clients. Our philosophy has always been that we need to be building what your client wants to buy, as opposed to trying to get your client to buy whatever it is that we happen to be building. So SIFA Pros, thank you for your support over the years. Let's keep it up. Good selling. Thank you.